The other big story, Vijay's last film, Jan Nayagan, is in trouble again. The Madras High Court single bench initially ordered the censor board to certify the film, calling their review process jurisdictional error. The censor board was quick to challenge the decision, and the division bench has stayed this order, questioning the procedural timeline, upholding the board's authority to re-examine the film, ultimately delaying its scheduled theatrical release. The film won't be releasing during Tamil Nadu's biggest festivities around Pongal. While Vijay's film won't release, his rival's film, Parashakti, backed by the DMK itself, has got a censor nod. Now, the legal journey of this film has taken a sharp turn with contrasting observations from the single judge bench to the division bench. The single judge bench said that stalled certification was crystal clear and afterthought and motivated, implying that last-minute objections were strategically used to set a dangerous precedent. The division bench, however, observed that a false state of urgency has been created by fixing a release date before obtaining the certificate by the makers of the film. The single judge bench warned that entertaining last-minute complaints would set a dangerous precedent. Division bench highlighted that such urgency creates undue pressure on the judiciary to bypass standard certification timelines. Single judge bench cautioned that such actions may lead to erosion of the sanctity of the film board's decision-making. In contrast, the division bench has asked whether producers couldn't wait for the certificate before sealing release plans, emphasizing adherence to standard procedures over rushed timelines. The division bench has stayed the order of the single bench, also saying that the CBFC was not given appropriate time to be heard before passing that order. Why is this film so important that everybody is talking about it and everybody is fighting against it or for it? Jan Nayagan is marking Vijay's swan song of sorts as an actor before he steps full-time into politics. This is also a movie that has mass appeal and social messaging. It tells the story of an ordinary man who finds himself compelled to fight a corrupt system. So basically charting an evolution from a passive bystander to a reluctant leader. It is very carefully structured, with each step of the protagonist's journey reflecting personal growth and societal impact. And the storyline dovetails very neatly with the TVK's signature narrative style, basically combining strong character arcs with commercial sensibilities and a film that would be a last kind of messaging before Vijay's political career as well. Why is this making so much noise, or why is Vijay so important and seemingly being attacked from all sides? Now, TVK is being seen as a potential third force capable of challenging 6 decades of Dravidian political dominance in Tamil Nadu. Over the years, he has transformed as a massive fan following into a structured political network, converting 85,000 fan clubs into active cadre, targeting 70,000 booth secretaries from ground-level mobilization. He enjoys strong loyalty amongst the youth, many of whom are less connected to traditional Dravidian party legacies. Ideologically, TVK promotes a secular platform inspired by Ambedkar, Periyar, Kamaraj, blending social reform with broad-based appeal. Given his organizational reach and mass appeal, he is emerging as a potential kingmaker, if not the king itself, in the event of a hung assembly. Both the BJP and the Congress are reportedly exploring ties with him to leverage his popularity, signaling his growing influence in Tamil Nadu political landscape.
Setback for Vijay's Jananayagan film, as the CJ had stayed the single judge's order that allowed the movie to be released, that directed the CBFC to issue the censor certificate, but the CJ had stayed that order and the case has now been adjourned to the 21st of January. While Jananayagan will not hit the silver screens, Parashakti, which is produced by Stalin Skin, will hit the silver screens this weekend. Initially, the movie did face challenges. They did not get the censor certificate till the 9th of January, and only by afternoon they got a go-ahead, and Parashakti has hit the silver screens on the 10th of January.